Today, we have another parcel. Kanina, shoes ni Baby Princess. And then, it fits really good. Jude, iyahang shoes. Ngayon, naghanap ako ng mga denim outfit or denim OOTD for Baby Princess. And finally, it's here! Mix na pala to. First, OOTD. This one. Cute. This is I got 1 to 2 years old because Baby Princess is gonna be 1 year old soon. So this one is fun. It's nice. Hala, I don't think she loves this cloth. But yeah, this is nice. Nice design and color, and with the bag. Cute bag. And then the next OOTD is shorts. This is the one I've been trying to get. Sana magkasya niya to. Shorts na denim. It's kinda big. Name. For 1 year old.
For Sophia mo na
A bit bigger. I got the big size. Let's see. How about this one? And this one also. This one. It's really nice quality. This one is small. I think this one will fit for her. Maganda yung quality niya. Sobrang ganda. And yes, this is like a jumper type thing. Ano siya? And pair siya. So that's another OOTD for Baby Princess. And I got the bill, parang bill. And I bought a jacket for her. But this is a bit big. Oh my god, this is big. I got like 1 to 2 years old.
Joy.
What?
It's not.
No.
That's no because when
It's
she's
so
4 years old.
pretty. This is like a waterproof jacket. Ooh.
She's not gonna wear
Very
it
pretty.
until she's 4 years old.
Yeah. And here, there's another jacket. Oh, this one is nice, but it's big also. I think I pressed the wrong size, but it's so nice. Look, this will fit like 2-3 years old. It's really nice. And then here's another one. I think this one. This one, I'm not sure if it will fit Baby Princess, but it's really cute. I think this will fit. Diba? So cute. Sobrang ganda. Ganda ng tela. Nasa yellow basket if you're looking for a denim outfit for babies. Ayan. So cute. I like it.